Hindi, Bisaya ako. So I'm from Davao. So I'm the head of engineering here, or we call it Network Operations and Network Development and Operations Group. Okay, so welcome on behalf of our COO, Sir Bailey Del Castillo, kasi he's in Manila right now. Welcome to Negros Power. Okay, so later we will tour the facilities now. Okay, so I'll be presenting to you our 12-month journey of driving change and progress. So, as mentioned ni Ma'am Sel kanina, no, ingon siya, nagsugod mi og August 1, then ang presentation na to is from that time na nag-start gid mi hangtod sa karon. Hangtod sa August na nag 12 months kami. Okay, so let me start. Okay. So, this is the outline of the presentation. We will have our 5-year DDP accomplishments for the past 11 months, way forward, and ano yung parang general conclusion natin for the experience. So, for the next 5 years, ito yung in general terms gagawin natin ito. Ito ang mga buhato natin. No? So, sa year 1, year 2, and year 3, meter replacement and installation of elevated metering clusters. Yung elevated metering clusters, ito yung maraming metro sa poste. Rehabilitation of major substations. So we have 11 substations here. 11 siya, tapos there are 3 substations man na may tagdadalawang transformer. Okay. So we will improve infrastructure, implement best practices ng as a utility. Then on the next 4th and 5th year namin, so we will provide our team with a SCADA system, yung supervisory control and data acquisition, but we already started this one. So we will have a new capital substation. We're planning to advance it next year. New FINMA and Rockwell substation, we project na mga 2027, meron na yan siya kasi major development yan dito. We'll expand our lines and increase our capacity, continuous improvement, and operating of voltage from primary na 13,200, kasi yan talaga yung operatives, 13,200 volts. We will transform it into 23,000 volts. So, ang isang major advantage niyan is at higher voltage, the higher the capacity is the line, the lower is the losses. Yeah. So, ito yung key accomplishments namin. So, on the capacity upgrades before, now, and the after impact. Okay. So, when we started pre-takeover, because we started August, ito yung capacity ni Seneco, Central Negros Electric Cooperative, 263. Yung load niya is 77%. Okay. So, when we took over, pumutok yung isang aliis agad. Yung maybe some of you nakabalitaan niyo, no? So, yung pumutok, bumaba yung capacity, kaya yung loading namin 91%. That's very critical. Because at 60%, we already start to implement upgrading na. At 70%, yan yung minimum na mini-maintain natin. At 80%, critical na yun that in a few months time, dapat mayroon ka na talagang bagong capacity. Okay. Then, pinahiram kami ni Moore ng mobile substation. Yung mobile substation naman, ito yung substation na pwede mong ilipat from one location to another location. Our sister company, Moore, has that one. So, in just 2 days, dumating dito yung mobile na energize namin. So, ganun kabilis. Okay? So, kaya umakyat yung capacity niya at 238. So, naging 87%. Then, we energize another transformer, the 18.5 MVA, additional capacity. Ito mabalisan. So, I think record-breaking yan dito sa Philippines kasi we did it in few days time lang. I think 10 days to be exact. Na-energize agad namin. So, coming from the hauling to the installation of the parts to securing the permit from EGCP up until energization, we were able to fast-track it. Kasi madalian talaga. Then, we were able to energize another substation sa Alinis, which is 37.5, kaya umakyat yung capacity. So parang nasa safe level na tayo, 71%. So in just few months, coming from a disaster dito, parang disaster na din kasi dito, na bumaba talaga sa 91%, naging 71%. So ganun kabilis yung ginawa natin.
Okay. Alam ko singit ako. Engineer, singit ako para malimanes natin.
Sure.
Kasi yung objective talaga ng punta natin dito is this one. Imagine nyo, what if kung electrico pa rin nung nangyari ang pagsabog ng substation? Imagine nyo.
It takes process.
Naku,
Minimum 3 months. 3 months.
imagine that. No?
Approval pa.
You see?
Yes.
Kung sumabog yung substation mo, critical ang buong network mo. Okay? So, because of Negros Power as a private utility na merong resources, we have sister company na may mobile substation. 2 days lang, nandito na yung substation. After we decided na i-pull out, 2 days, travel. Kabit, andar. Okay? Magkano substation?
100 million.
100 million. You think Electrico can buy bukas
2 days.
in 2 days time, 100 million bili ka ng mobile substation. Okay. Although hindi siya binili, no? Grabe, but still, pag-aari ng private yun. Di ba? Usapin kasi sa atin doon is, ano yan?